name is Bellechasse, and I'm a visual artist from New York City. I'm climbing Huangshan Mountain in Anhui Province to collect photographs from my most recent series, Natural Abstractions. In the past 5 years, I've traveled around the world, searching for nature imagery and landscapes for my mixed media artworks, which capture the spirit of classical Chinese painting. Since I was young, I was obsessed with martial arts and Oriental philosophy. I practiced wrestling and judo and a little kung fu, and was drawn to the discipline and the spiritual element of the practice. After college, I spent a year traveling in Asia. In China, I climbed the Buddhist holy mountain of Emishan in Sichuan province and traveled to the Shaolin Monastery, the birthplace of Kung Fu. I really felt something special in these mountains, and the experience made a huge impression on me. I'm traveling with Corrado Sassi, an Italian artist whose work deals with the effect of cityscapes and the built environment on people's spiritual being. We decided to create a joint exhibition that reflects on the effects of the rapid development and huge migration from rural areas to the cities that's happened in China over the past decades.
Skyscrapers are the most dramatic architectural expression facing people today. There is a long history in China of poetry that deals with nostalgia for the homeland. I see a link between feelings expressed in classical poetry and the emotional disconnection of people in modern Chinese cities. I decided to embroider quotes of this ancient poetry on the walls of skyscrapers using colored threads that link the architecture to the ideograms.
There's something about the way Chinese artists deal with space and contrast that draws you into their artwork and lends a unique feeling, a spiritual feeling, where you can really feel the power of nature. That's what I'm trying to capture here.
Bill's artistic work strikes me because he investigates nature as a connection between the human being and the transcendental. The skyscrapers are for me what the mountains are for him, a way into the spiritual world. The texture that Bill creates with the combination of plants and leaves makes me think of the ideograms that are a symbolic representation of life.